In the post-World War II era, as the world grappled with the dawn of a new technological age, a group of visionary minds embarked on a mission to revolutionize communication. This ambitious endeavor would come to be known as ARPANET, the precursor to the modern Internet. In 1969, the Advanced Research Projects Agency, ARPA, a research and development arm of the United States Department of Defense, funded a project to create a robust, wide-area network. The goal was to ensure the continuity of research and communication in the event of a catastrophic attack on a single facility. Leonard Kleinrock, a UCLA professor, and his team were given the task of creating a system that could send and receive messages over long distances. They were inspired by the work of Paul Baran, who had proposed a decentralized network design, where information could be routed through multiple paths to ensure reliability. The first message sent over ARPANET was an historic LO followed by ARPA from UCLA to the Stanford Research Institute. This seemingly mundane exchange marked the birth of a global communications revolution. As ARPANET grew, it connected various universities and research institutions, fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing. It was a testament to the power of technology to bridge geographical boundaries and break down barriers of isolation. However, ARPANET was not without its challenges. It was slow, with a speed of only 2.4 kilobits per second, a far cry from the gigabits we enjoy today. Yet, it was a promising start, setting the foundation for the rapid evolution of the Internet as we know it today. The development of ARPANET was a pivotal moment in human history. It not only changed the way we communicate but also opened up a world of possibilities for future advancements in technology, education, and global connectivity. In the years that followed, ARPANET would be succeeded by ENSFnet, and eventually, the modern Internet. But its legacy lives on, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. In the grand tapestry of human history, the story of ARPANET serves as a beacon of hope, a testament to what can be achieved when we dare to dream big and take bold steps towards the unknown. It is a story of innovation, of resilience, and of the indomitable human spirit.